What Europe decided at the Berlin Conference. Europe didn't just talk, they made rules. Rules for conquest. The biggest one was effective occupation. If a country claimed land, it had to prove control. Not just on paper, but on the ground. That changed everything. Flags had to go up, and treaties had to be signed. Soldiers had to be sent, whether the people agreed or not. This rule turned ambition into action. Europe didn't care who lived where. They didn't ask which kingdoms ruled, they just drew lines. Straight through cultures, languages, and lives. One river might cut 3 ways. One tribe split across 4 colonies. One people claimed by different flags. This was just the beginning. The Berlin Conference didn't just carve up land. It carved up futures and broke systems that still haven't been rebuilt. The borders they drew, still there. The conflicts they caused, still ongoing. The wealth they took, still missing. Africa wasn't just divided. It was handed over without consent, without defense, and without a voice. And the worst part, this meeting set the stage for everything that came next. The forced labor, land theft and broken economies, and a world that still benefits from what was stolen. What happened after Europe drew the lines? The ink had barely dried before Europe went to work. Ships left European ports loaded with flags, soldiers, and contracts. They weren't coming to trade, they were coming to take. What started as lines on a map became boots on the ground. Military posts were built. Missionaries were sent to soften the blow. They used fake promises and forced agreements to make the land grab look legal. European powers rushed to claim their piece of Africa. Belgium grabbed the Congo. France raced through West Africa. Britain moved east and south, swallowing land like wildfire. They didn't care who was already there. They didn't ask. If an African kingdom resisted, it was labeled a rebellion.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.